That's a fish. Golly. That's a good freaking fish right there. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? ChrisCantFish. We're back on the kayak today on the James River, Richmond, Virginia. As you can tell, this is Ancaro's Landing. It's where I usually launch at here in Richmond. And we are going to be targeting some largemouth bass. Surprise, surprise. See if we can get on them today. Probably going to be starting off with the spinnerbait and maybe switch up to the chatterbait or something else if we can get any bites, but stay tuned. There we go, fish on. Feels pretty decent. Haven't seen it yet. Oh yeah, nice little largemouth in the net. All right, first fish of the day. He's a nice 2-pounder, probably close to it, on the spinnerbait out here in RVA. Only been fishing for about 30 minutes. I'd say that's pretty good. You know the deal. Thanks for biting, buddy. There he goes. First fish of the day always feels good to get. Puts a little confidence in your brain. Hopefully we can get a few more of those. Yeah, it's early springtime, so I figured the bass are going to be feeding pretty heavily on schools of bait, and that's kind of why I'm throwing a spinner, because it kind of imitates more than one fish, and it seems to be working, so I mean, I can't argue with that. There we go. He bit like right here. Definitely a better fish. Right into the net. This one's probably a little bit closer to 3 pounds. Oh yeah, that right there is a nice fish. On the spinnerbait. Richmond, Virginia. Thanks for biting, buddy. There he goes. Heck yeah. That one kind of caught me by surprise. I thought it was a stick at first, but then it started fighting. Either way, I hook set on sticks too, so you can never be too sure. Oh, I literally had a fish follow that up. That's so annoying. And then he saw the kayak and literally turned away. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for day 1. Caught some pretty decent fish on the spinner. I can't complain at all. Hopefully we can catch some more on day 2. All right, it's day 2 on the James. We're gonna start things off with the spinnerbait. We were catching them pretty good last time. Hopefully we can catch them again. Go, man, we got a largie already. Come here, buddy. There we go. It's crazy, we've only been throwing this thing like 5 minutes. Already got ourselves a little bass. Heck yeah, dude. Nice little 1.5 pounds. Maybe slightly close to 2. But oh, look, he's got a little hook in his mouth already. Let me help you out and get that out for you, buddy. That little thing. You're probably gonna feel a lot better now. Thanks for biting, bud. right, spinnerbait was a good choice. Let's keep throwing it. There we go, we got a fish on. Oh, just came off. Dang it, dude. I was trying to get him past that pillar. It was coming up quick thanks to the wind. All right, we're gonna wrap up fishing for today. It's getting dark, I'm hungry. And we're gonna come back out here on the James one more time, see if I can wrap up this video. So I'll see y'all then. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to day 3. You know the deal. Got the spinner on. Hopefully get on some largemouth and whatever else wants to bite. Looks like today's my lucky day. We haven't caught a fish, but we found a lure. It looks like a good one. It's got a nice Berkeley topwater walking bait. That is beautiful. Free 99. Somebody left it in a tree, which this is kind of an understandable spot because if you're in a boat, probably a pain in the ass to get to, but thanks for the lure, dude. It's probably like, it's Berkeley, so probably like 12, 15 bucks. Sick. That's a fish. That's a bowfin. Golly. Oh man, I've never seen a bowfin jump like that. That's a good freaking fish right there. One hell of a bite. Golly. Definitely need the fish grips for that one. Look at that, dude. Them teeth right there. This is a really good fish right here. Nice solid bowfin. I'm gonna get a quick weight of him. I'm gonna guess like around 3 pounds or so. He's pretty heavy. Weigh him with the fish grips. He's 3 pounds, 15 ounces, so just about 4 pounds. That's crazy. Very, very nice bowfin out here. James River, Richmond, Virginia. Not a bass, but that was one heck of a fight. Thanks for biting, buddy. Look at that thing. There he goes. All right. Got a really good fish today. Not what we wanted, but look at that. 3 pounds 15. Just shy of 4. I mean, I'm pretty much gonna call that a 4, 1 ounce away. Well, yeah, there you go. That might be a PV bowfin, honestly. So that's cool. Let's get back to fishing. Hopefully we can find a bass. Just saw a huge gar. There's no way I could get a gar with spinnerbait. Yeah, at least, huh? I would need something with treble hooks, and if you haven't noticed, I don't really like throwing treble hooks off the kayak too much because they get tangled in the net, and then I spend more time getting the treble hooks out of the net than I do actually fishing. So I just usually like to stick to single hooked lures, which is kind of why I primarily throw spinnerbait, chatterbait, and swim jig. But when I'm on the bank, I'll throw just about anything. telling you, we aren't catching any fish, but if you look right there, you see another big dollar jerkbait. I can't say no to a free lure. Look at that. It's called a bomber. 16. I'm assuming that means 16 foot. Dude, what are you doing? You got steel leader on here? Who the fuck was throwing this thing? Another free lure. Thanks. All right, the tide is starting to drop and all my good fishing spots are being exposed. I don't really know how to fish deep water. Hey, leave me alone. My name's ChrisCantFish. What can you expect? Had a couple good ones in this video. I'm really stoked about that bowfin. Did not catch any largemouth today, but you know, the bowfin made up for it, so I can't be too bummed. I always find the downtown section of the James River a little bit challenging to fish, and if you do land something, usually it'll be a good fish. So I mean, that's why I do fish it. But I hope you guys enjoyed the content in this video. This has been ChrisCantFish, and maybe one day I'll learn. Peace.